Mulberry leaf with bitter melon, or Momordica charantia.
Mulberry leaf juice. Mulberry leaf juice is a beverage made by extracting the liquid from fresh mulberry leaves, while mulberry leaf tea, made by steeping dried or fresh leaves in hot water, is more common and widely recognized. Juicing the leaves is another way to consume them.
Bitter melon, or Momordica charantia. Bitter melon, scientifically known as Momordica charantia, is a tropical and subtropical vine belonging to the gourd family, Cucurbitaceae. It's widely cultivated and consumed in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean for its edible fruit, which is notoriously bitter.
If you want to know benefits of mulberry leaf with bitter melon, please watching this video until the end. So please subscribe my channel to get new video. Let's go.
Here is key benefits of mulberry leaf juice and bitter melon, Momordica charantia. 1. Helps control blood sugar levels. 2. Supports heart health. 3. Contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. 4. Supports the digestive system. 5. Supports liver and kidney health. 6. Strengthens the immune system.
1. Helps control blood sugar levels. Mulberry leaves contain 1-deoxynigericin, or DNJ, which can block the absorption of carbohydrates in the intestines, helping to reduce blood sugar levels after meals. Bitter melon is widely known for its ability to help lower blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity. This combination can be a double benefit, especially for those with diabetes or those looking to control their sugar levels. 2. Supports heart health. Mulberry leaves can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, as well as reduce inflammation and prevent the formation of fatty deposits in the arteries. Bitter melon also has cholesterol-lowering properties and supports cardiovascular health.
3. Contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Both mulberry leaves and bitter melon are rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids, that help fight free radicals in the body. This helps prevent cell damage and reduce chronic inflammation, which is the cause of various diseases.
4. Supports the digestive system. Mulberry leaves can help improve digestion and reduce diarrhea. Bitter melon is rich in fiber, which helps regular bowel movements and maintains a healthy digestive system. 5. Supports liver and kidney health. Some studies have shown that mulberry leaves can help protect liver cells from damage and reduce liver inflammation. Bitter melon is also believed to have properties that help cleanse toxins from the liver and kidneys. 6. Strengthens the immune system. Mulberry leaves and bitter melon are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, B, E, K, iron, calcium, zinc, that help strengthen the body's defenses against various infectious diseases. Precautions. Although mulberry leaf tea with bitter melon has many benefits, you should consult your doctor before using it as a treatment, especially if you are taking medication or have any serious health problems. The use of traditional medicine should not replace medical treatment.
Overall, drinking mulberry leaf tea with bitter melon can be a great health drink that helps control blood sugar, heart, digestive system, and strengthen the immune system. Do you want to know more about how to make this tea or other information?
How to make. To make mulberry leaf juice with bitter melon, you can follow these simple steps. Ingredients to prepare. Fresh or dried mulberry leaves, about 15 to 20 leaves if fresh,
or a tablespoon if dried. You can buy fresh mulberry leaves at the vegetable market or traditional medicine shop. If you don't have fresh leaves, you can also use dried leaves that have been dried. Fresh bitter melon, 1/4 or half small, depending on your preference. Choose fresh, unripe bitter melons. Clean water, about 2 to 3 cups. That's about 500 to 750 milliliters.
How to make. Wash. Mulberry leaves. Wash the fresh mulberry leaves thoroughly to remove any dust or other chemicals. If they are dried leaves, just rinse them with plain water. Bitter melon. Wash the bitter melons thoroughly and cut them into slices. You can remove the seeds or leave them in, depending on your preference. Removing the seeds can help reduce some of the bitterness. Boil water. Put clean water in a small pot or glass. Place the mulberry leaves and bitter melon slices in the water. Turn on medium heat and let the water boil. Simmer. When the water starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Longer simmering will help release more nutrients from the leaves and bitter melon. You will see the water change color slightly to a light green or yellow. Strain and drink. Turn off the heat and use a sieve or thin cloth to strain out the leaves and bitter melon. Pour the boiled water into a glass.
Additional tips. Taste. This water will have a slightly bitter taste from the bitter melon. If you don't like the bitter taste, you can reduce the amount of bitter melon or add a little lemon juice to reduce the taste. Drink. You can drink this water hot or let it cool and refrigerate for later. It is best to drink in the morning or before meals. Quantity. You can brew this water multiple times a day, but it should be consumed within 24 hours to maintain its quality. Note: although this water has health benefits, you should consult your doctor before using it regularly, especially if you have a medical condition or are taking any medications.
Drinking.
How to get the best benefits from mulberry leaf and bitter melon juice? You can follow the following drinking method and choose the time that suits your routine. How to drink mulberry leaf and bitter melon juice and when to drink it. Drink in the morning before meals. This is the best time for those who want to control their blood sugar levels. Drinking it on an empty stomach helps the active ingredients in mulberry leaf and bitter melon to be absorbed better into the body and helps reduce the sugar spike after breakfast. Drink before large meals, lunch or dinner. If you have difficulty controlling your sugar after a meal or dinner, you can try drinking it about 15 to 30 minutes before those meals. This can help reduce the absorption of carbohydrates and help stabilize blood sugar. Drink regularly. To get long-term benefits, you should drink this water regularly every day. You can start by drinking 1 to 2 cups a day and monitor your body's reaction. Drink at normal or warm temperature. This water can be drunk either hot or cold. Some people like to drink it hot because it helps the body absorb it well, while others like to drink it cold to refresh themselves.
Key points to remember. Do not add sweeteners. To maintain the benefits of blood sugar control, you should not add sugar, honey, or other sweeteners to this water. Listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort or have any unusual reactions after drinking this water, discontinue use and consult your doctor. Not a medicine. Mulberry leaf and bitter melon juice is just a health drink. It is not a substitute for medication or medical treatment, especially for those with chronic conditions, such as diabetes. Hope this information is helpful to you. Do you have any other questions?
Side effects.
Although mulberry leaf juice and bitter melon have many health benefits, they can have some side effects, especially when used improperly or in people with certain health conditions.
Possible side effects. Hypoglycemia. This is a very serious side effect, especially for diabetics who are taking blood sugar-lowering medications, such as insulin or diabetes pills. Drinking this juice can cause blood sugar to drop too low, causing dizziness, fainting, sweating, palpitations, or loss of consciousness. Therefore, monitoring blood sugar is essential.
Digestive system problems, diarrhea or stomach pain. For some people, drinking this juice can cause diarrhea, stomach cramps, or indigestion, especially when you first start drinking it or drink large amounts. Constipation, on the other hand, for some people it can cause constipation due to the high fiber content.
Drug interactions. Anti-diabetic drugs, as mentioned above, it can increase the effectiveness of anti-diabetic drugs, causing blood sugar to drop too low. Anti-hypertensive drugs. Mulberry leaf and bitter melon can help lower blood pressure, so using it together with blood pressure medications can cause blood pressure to drop too low, hypotension. Anticoagulants. Both of these herbs may have a slight anticoagulant effect, so people taking warfarin or aspirin should be careful, as this can increase the risk of bleeding. Other medications. Always consult your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking any medications before starting to drink this water regularly.
Allergic reactions. Although rare, some people may have an allergic reaction to mulberry leaves or bitter melon, which may manifest as itching, rash, swelling of the mouth or throat, or difficulty breathing. Not recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding women. There is not enough research to confirm the safety of drinking this water for pregnant or breastfeeding women, so it is best to avoid it. Precautions. Consult your doctor. This is especially important if you have a medical condition such as diabetes, high blood pressure, or kidney disease, are taking medication, or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Start with a small amount. To test your body's response, you should start drinking a small amount and gradually increase it. Monitor symptoms. If you feel unwell or have any unusual symptoms, stop using it immediately.
Overall, mulberry leaf juice and bitter melon can be a great health drink, but understanding the side effects and precautions are essential to ensure safety and reap the full benefits.
Thank you for watching this videos.